So over here, I actually have this particular site right here with no content, as you can see. Well, let's say what I want to do is I want to import out site contents from another blog, like let's say, for example, from blogger.com. So to do that, I can actually go around over here onto my dashboard and go to tools and go to import right here. And you can see that I have Blogger as an option. You can also go around and import out from Medium or Squarespace, Substacks, Wix, and choose from a full list over here just like this as well, and import out from other blogs as well, as you can see right here. Well, let me just go ahead and import out from Blogger, and it says a Blogger export file is an XML file, and you can import it out using that particular file. So for that, I need to go around and access my Blogger. So I'm just going to go around onto blogger.com right here. And then this is the site that I have. Right now, I don't have any posts. So I have my Tutu blog post right here, just like this. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and export this out. So this is what I have, as you can see. So let's just go around on the settings right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and export this out from Blogger right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So let's just go around, and here you can see that I can go ahead and back up my content right here in Blogger. If you want to learn more about how you can work around and manage Blogger, then you can view my tutorial playlist on that as well. So over here in TT, you can see that it exported out my Blogger file right here. And now I can simply go back onto WordPress and then choose this file by clicking here. And then it opens up my Explorer window. So I can simply go ahead and scroll down, and here you can see that blog .xml file is here. Let me just go ahead and open, and then it opens and then processes that file out just like this. So you can see that this is the original site, and it is actually telling me if you want to import it. So let's just go ahead and import it right here. So now you can see it says importing, so you need to go ahead and wait for a while now. And then you can see that there's two pages and media files left to import. So you can see that it's actually taking some time to process, which is quite normal. So over here, it says success, your content has been imported. So now if I were to go ahead and view the site, then you can see that the content from another blog is actually imported right here, just like this. So the content from Blogger that I have right here. So if I were to go ahead on to my blog, let's say for example, then I will be able to see the same content right there as well. So that is how you can go ahead and then import out the XML contents from another blogging services like blogger.com inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.